Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you must have seen my part 1 of this video, I am in Zakopane and this is my apartment, and I will show you the view around this house. It's very beautiful and it's snowing all the night along. So we are going for skiing today and some more winter activities, winter sports. And damn, there is no road left. You can see here. It snowed very heavy last night. And the view indeed is very beautiful. But yeah, obviously if you have to travel from places and you have to, it becomes very difficult to travel and walk on the road when it snows this heavy. These roads remind me of my Himachal Manali trek and the trip that we had been last year. Wow, I am such a mountain person. I just love mountains. I don't know why. I am not so much attracted to beaches, but I love mountains. This gives me a next level of peace and satisfaction. We are on this sport place now, and this is the skiing area, and you can see these cables here that bring you up from where you finish skiing, and then you can again slide down there. I wonder how will I be able to do this. We are going to have our breakfast here now. This fireplace is beautiful. People are drying their clothes there. So for the first, we had been to a ski place very close to our apartment, but then they did not have the complete ski gear, without which we thought that it was a little unsafe to start with. So we came to this place. It's a little far from our apartment, and we took a bus for this place, and yeah, it's gonna be very exciting. It's my first time ski actually. People are gearing up for ski activities, and you have a cable cart here which takes you up to the hill, and you can come down skiing. Also, there are trainers available, and this is the training school where you can take the information from. This is so heavy. Ketan! We are going up, a little up from there. This is the escalator, and oh my god, the gear is very, very heavy. We are somehow managing it. And he's our trainer, Uber.
Hello.
He's going to help us train skiing.
I do my best.
Yeah, definitely. I hope we will do our best. Okay, so we'll have the fun.
Godzina. Yep. No, from my side. Yep. No, but give me a stick. Give me the stick. Position, he lose all control,
Yeah.
all steering.
Amrita, how are you feeling?
Look, it's important because every single move by the hand it change our balance and stop. Very nice.
Oh, my husband is showing some skills
Yeah,
now.
one more time, one more time.
One more time.
Jedziemy na
O, o,
ten, na
o,
taśmę. Jedziemy w dół.
And stop.
Dobra? O, właśnie.
Stop, don't
Kiki
go
do
back,
góry.
don't go back.
I
Okay.
wszyscy naraz.
There's Mr. Sharma, Akshay, and I'm waiting for my turn.
The same you.
So we are done skiing now, and we are super hungry because it's been over 4 to 5 hours that we have had food, and we found a restaurant here. So we'll just have food and get back to you guys. And I'm not very sure what are we going to do next. Are we going to our apartment back? Because we are very tired now. So let's see. This is the restaurant. This is a street with all luxurious brands. Basically a shopping street. But it's not the same where we were yesterday. So it's our last day today here in Zakopane, and we are leaving from here now. We are expecting our cab to arrive in another 30 minutes, and then we have a train at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's sunny. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this series of Zakopane, and don't forget to hit the like button and share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. So stay tuned and take care. Bye bye. तो बघतोय